Welcome back, friends. In the last session, we have seen transformations such as map, filter, and filter map. We have written a couple of programs as well. Now, in this session, we will see what are actions. If you see in the transform methods, we are getting return a new RDD, right? But in case of action, instead of getting RDD, we'll be getting a list of records, Java list or other collection or integer, something like that, but we won't be getting RDD. So output of actions is always returned to driver program, or it is saved to file system or HDFS, but output is not RDD. It's always going to be Java util list or integer or map, something Java collection APIs, okay, will be used as the output. There are around 6 methods which I'm going to cover in this session, which are termed as actions. Why it is called actions? Mostly it is called action because we are doing some aggregation or something on RDD, right? And we are getting some different output. So let's cover each and every one, all these methods. First is collect method. What it does, from given RDD, it transforms into a list of objects, whether it's a string or integer, right? So suppose in RDD I have three RDD records. So if I use collect, it will give me three list of records. So let's open up the program. So this is my program. For this program, I have created one file, numbers.txt. In this file, I have couple of numbers separated by tab, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. If you see, there are around 6 numbers. So let's go to the action program. What I am doing, I am reading this file, so I am getting a string RDD. So I am getting only one record because only one line is there. What I am doing, I am using the flat map function. This is transformation method. So I am going to get return as the Java RDD. What I am doing in this, separating I'm splitting each record by tab, and I'm storing into a list, into a Java RDD of type string. So I will get 6 record in this, and on this RDD I am doing collect. So I am getting list of strings instead of Java RDD. I am getting list of strings. So if I print this element, it will print 6 elements. Let's run this program. Okay, program is done. Let's scroll up. Okay, can you see it has printed 6 elements. Now let's move to another topic. Count. What count does? It counts the number of elements in the RDD. Let's So let me write down the program. So count text count. Let's run this program. Can you see there are 6 elements in this? Next is count by value. So what it does, it returns a map where each element will be key and value will be the number of occurrence of those key. For example, let's see this program. I added one more element. So how many elements are there? 7 now. If I have using count by value, so there is element 10 is occurred only once, but element 60 is occurred twice. If I run this program, let's run this program. Now I should get the count as 7, and I should guess the each element and their occurrence. Can you see? Element 40 one time, element 50 one time, element 10 one time, element 60 twice. Okay, similarly on the top you will see the count. Can you see count 7? Let me go through the program again to explain what been done. I'm using text number RDD. I'm using count by value. Once I do the count by value, I'm getting a map. In the map, I have a string as a key and the long as a value. Long is nothing but the number of occurrence. Then what I'm doing, I'm just iterating and printing that key and this value. Now let's move to the next part, take. Take is nothing but taking couple of elements from RDD. I have to provide a number n, and that many numbers will pick from the RDD. But it is a pick on the top. Those elements will be picked. For example, I'm using text RDD take 4. So it is giving me 4 elements from the top. Let's run this program. Can you see take element 10, 20, 30 and 40. Let's move to save as text file. I have already covered this in previous program. If you see transformation and this way to save as a text file, which put the output in the file system. Okay, let's move to another part. Reduce. What reduce does? It reduces the elements from the RDD by some operation. For example, in this example, right, this program we had, which has 100 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. My requirement is that I want to get the total count of these numbers. How can I do that? I have to just add up. I will add 10, 20, it's become 30. Then I'll add 30, 40, it becomes 70. Then I'll add 50, 60, it becomes 110. And again it will iterate and add 30, 70, 110, and it will take 110 as it is. Then finally it will going to combine 100 and 110. So final output 220. So reduce function, what it does, the format is like this. It takes element 1, element 2, and it does operation on those two elements. It could be plus, it could be multiplication, it could be subtraction. But here in this program, what I'm doing the total count of total addition of those elements. Okay, so let me remove one element here, 60. Let's run this program. Can you see total count is 210. Let's revisit the program again. If you see in the text numbers, is Java RDD of type string? Can I add string to get the total count or total addition? No, I have to first typecast to, or to have to convert it to integer. So what I did, I used the map function to get another RDD, integer RDD. In that map function, I have used integer value of string. So it is converting text into integer, and I am getting the integer RDD. Then I am using this integer RDD. I am using the reduce action x comma y, which is going to do addition of those two elements. So final output will be integer total 2. I'm printing that. So this is about action. In next session I will cover set of operation on RDD. Thanks for watching this video.